Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. So by the title below, you guys already know what I'll be doing in today's video. Yes, I'm back with another fun bag review for you guys. So let us get right into it. I went ahead and opened the box already. So this is what it's looking like. This is it. Yeah, so cute. Teddy Blake sent me this beautiful bag I'm about to show you guys. And if you're wondering who or what Teddy Blake is, Teddy Blake is a New York based handbag company who specializes in making luxury handbags. The bags are made in Italy, period. And the bags are made with high quality leather and hardwares. So let us get right into it. So this is what the bag comes in, this beautiful white box. So when you open the box, the bag comes in this bubble wrap. And then inside the bubble wrap, ooh, is this beautiful dust bag that holds the bag. This dust bag feels so good. It's so soft and nice. Ooh, she's pretty. Oh my god, guys, this bag is so stunning. What? No, guys, look at this. No, this is so pretty. This is their Lola 15-inch bag. It's a dark blue. Is it a dark blue or a navy blue? Oh, it's a dark blue. It's a dark blue croco leather. I think croco is the shortening for crocodile leather. Yeah, because look at the texture of the bag. Oh my god, this feels so good. It's giving elegance. It's giving luxury. I've never owned a bag in navy blue, and I've never owned a crocodile leather bag either. So I'm excited to add this one to my collection. The bag is sturdy. The straps are sturdy. I love the gold hardware. The gold hardware complements the dark blue so well. And then the Teddy Blake New York heat stamp in the bag. Oh my god, this bag is so stunning. Inside the bag looks like this. Ooh, the crossbody strap. This is it. So this is what inside of the bag is looking like. I love the material inside. It feels like suede. It's really nice. It has a lot of space. And you know, I'm a content creator, so I love me a bag that I can throw everything in. My camera, my tripod, the mini tripod of course, my lights and all the goodies that I'll be needing. And inside the bag has a pocket. Ooh, and the pocket zips really well. This is it. And I love the Teddy Blake. Let me show you. I love the Teddy Blake heat stamp in the bag. And as I mentioned before, the straps are sturdy. Love that. I'm going to add the crossbody strap to the bag. So this is it. Sturdy and nice. I love the gold hardware on the strap. And I love how the engraved. Ooh, see? I love how the engraved the Teddy Blake on the hardware. So cute. So it can be worn with the straps, the long straps, or you just use the handle. Ooh, this is the bag with the straps on. Really cute. The bag is stunning and classy. So the bag can be worn like this, and it can also be worn like this. I think I love it this way. This way is really classy and elegant. It's giving grown woman. So comment in the comment section and let me know, where would you wear this bag to? It's really cute. and I'm just so excited to add this bag to my collection. Really and truly, there's nothing much to her. She's really simple, but she's elegant, she's stunning. I love how the gold heat stamp complements the bag with the gold hardware. The gold and the dark blue is really stunning, and then the crocodile leather, oh my god, I love this bag. Okay, beautiful people, so all the information to their website will be in my description box. So click the link, browse through their website to see what other bags they have available. Guys, all the bags on their website is stunning. Check them out. You need to check them out. And Teddy Blake was generous enough to give me a code for you guys to use. Gonna put it right here on the screen. So if you buy this bag through me, you will get $30 deducted from your purchase. Bye guys.